Jai Shri Gurudev. Good afternoon, dear children. I hope you are all safe by staying at home. Dear children, in the last class we discussed about it, the problems on the A singularity, along with its examples and exercise problems also. As dear children, in this class we should learn about the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so where you have to be apply this theorem? Okay, so it means is you have to be apply this theorem in right angle triangle only. Okay, as in right angle triangle is one angle is 90 degrees no children. So in that is as so we have to be apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so already we learned in the lower classes Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so what we learned is the Pythagorean triplets children. So square of the any values is equal to sum of the squares of other two values. Yes or no children? So based on that only same as that we should be applying in the triangle also. That is also in right angle triangle. Okay. So what I given in the statement is yes. So in a right angle triangle. Okay. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse. Okay, see that is children, here is a hypotenuse we are writing, means it is a new word for us, means is in a right angle triangle, yes, right angle B, means it is the opposite side, is the longest side in a right angle triangle. Okay, so then the longest side can be called as a hypotenuse, and the remaining two sides will become is base and height. Okay, so means is according to that is the square of the hypotenuse means is AC square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Sum of the squares of other two sides. What are the other two sides children? That is AB square and BC square. Their sum means is AB square plus BC square. So that is a required to prove for us. Okay, so what do you want to prove the children? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. We have to prove that is. They should understand what is the concept in that is. So to prove this one is you have to write that is first is given. So in triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, that's it given now. To prove that is what do you want to prove the children? That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, that's it required to prove for us. Okay, so to prove this one is we have to do that is some construction. What do you want to do the construction children? That construction will become says draw BD is perpendicular to AC. Okay, BD is perpendicular to AC. So then after says proof. So in triangle, see that is children, in triangle ADB, okay, ADB means this is a one right angle triangle and BDC also one right angle triangle. Okay, now we are applying this ADB is a one right angle triangle and ABC is a one right angle triangle. Okay, now we are comparing that is. Okay, so that is in triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Okay, the two triangles, so now we are comparing that. When we are comparing that angle ADB is equals to angle ABC. It is a how many degrees children? 90 degrees. Okay, ADB means is we draw the perpendicular no means is it is also 90 degrees, it is also 90 degrees. Yes or no children? So that is angle ADB and angle ABC is how many degrees children? 90 degrees. As well as angle A is equals to angle A. It is a common angle. By AA similarity, by AC similarity. As angle ADB is equals to angle ABC as well as angle A is equals to angle A. In this is two triangles. Okay, by A similarity triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, what is the condition, children? By A similarity. Okay, by A similarity, these two triangles is similarity triangles. When you are writing as similar triangles is their corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. Yes or no, children? So then based on that, yes, so ADB and ABC in this one will become says AD by AB, yes, AD by AB is equals to, yes, AD by AB is equals to, in this triangle will become says AB by AC. AB by AC. By taking the cross multiplication will become says AB into AB. AB square is equals to AD into AC. Okay, it is a equation 1 you have to be considered. Okay, as well as in another triangle. What is that another triangle, children? BDC is a one triangle you have to be considered as well as ABC. These two triangles also we have to be compared. Okay, so that is in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Okay, we are comparing the two triangles now. Yes, so then in this one will become this angle BDC is equals to angle BDC means 90 degrees as well as ABC. ABC is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, yes or no, student? Then as well as angle C is equals to angle C. Okay, this is a common angle for this one now. BDC means in this triangle as well as ABC in this triangle means this angle C will become a common angle, student. So then common angle. Yes, then by AA similarity triangle A BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so when you are getting at these two triangles will become similar triangles, their corresponding sides are proportional. Yes or no, children? Then their corresponding sides are proportional. As their corresponding sides are DC by BC is equals to DC by BC in triangle BDC. Okay, in triangle ABC will become that is BC by AC. BC by AC. By taking the cross multiplication will become what you should get this line? That is BC into BC will become BC square is equals to DC into AC. Okay, so this is it, equation 2. Okay, by adding the equation 1 and 2. Okay, by adding equation 1 and 2, S, so see that is equation 1 will become AB square. Next here is BC square. So that is AB square plus BC square is equals to AB square is AD into AC. AD into AC plus DC into AC. Yes, so then is equals to, here is what is the common children, and that is AC is a common now. Then I am taking as a AC is common, that is AD plus DC. So is equals to AC of AD plus DC. You have to observe the figure. AD plus DC will become AC no children. That is AC. So is equals to AC into AC. AC square. Okay. So therefore AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So that is required to prove. Okay. So we conclude that in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay. Did you understand now?